Salut et bienvenue à la classe de français. Hello and welcome to French class. My name is Leslie McIver and I'm your instructor for this online French course. You can call me Professor McIver or Professor McIver if you like. So I just wanted to reach out via video so you could see me and get to know a little bit about my background and who is on the other side of your screen. So I've been teaching foreign languages for about 18 years. Gosh, that's so long. 10 of which have been online. I do teach both French and Spanish, and as you may have guessed, I'm not a native speaker of either language, but I have lived and studied abroad and for a number of years in France and all over the Spanish-speaking world. So you are in good hands. I do get asked a lot about how I got into languages, and so I'm going to give you a little bit of background information about me, but it's going to be quick because I don't like to talk about myself a lot. But I studied art and design originally in undergraduate school, and after graduating with my interior design degree, I decided to take a couple of months off and do some traveling and I guess find myself. So I went backpacking with two friends from college, and we traveled all throughout Europe and Africa. We slept in tents and we basically just immersed ourselves in the cultures, as there were multiple. But it was really then that I became fascinated with languages, and so I decided to return to college and dedicate myself to learning languages just in general. So I focused in on Spanish and French and a little bit of Italian, and decided I would study during the year and take my summers to travel and do study abroad programs. So I eventually earned another bachelor's degree and wanted to keep going, so I moved to California with my dog and my cat in my car, and I just wanted to live in a place where I could live and breathe the language all of the time, that being Spanish. So I applied to graduate school in San Diego, and 2 years later I earned my master's degree in Spanish from California State University in San Marcos. And then later I went on to earn my master's in the teaching, another master's in the teaching of second languages with an emphasis in French. So I've studied in Mexico and Spain and Italy, and I've done a good bit of travel throughout Europe and Latin America and Africa. So it's really a good segue if you like to travel. I'm studying languages because it really does make the experience much different. So I highly recommend it if you ever get the chance. If I could give you one pointer about how to do well in an online course, not only with learning online, but with language learning as well, it would be that you get out of it what you put into it. The students who are most successful are the ones that dedicate a little bit of time each day to studying and practicing the language, and those who take advantage of every opportunity possible to use the language in practice. So there's lots of free resources online, apps for your phone, and just opportunities in the community to practice. So seek out those opportunities. I also wanted to add that learning a language is a process and that fluency doesn't happen overnight. So be patient and don't give up. It's not easy. It takes time and it takes practice. Just know that I'm here to help you. So please don't hesitate to reach out to me during my office hours, or if the time during my office hours doesn't work for you, let me know and we can set up a time that does work. So just keep in mind that you should be working a little bit every day, and don't wait till you're tanking to reach out for help. If you want to just have someone with whom you can practice, let me know. That's why I'm here, okay? We shall see each other soon. A bientôt.